Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a little bit different. No DIY, no upgrades or no repairs. Today is a little bit of a damage report because sometimes in life you just can't control whatever happens. And yeah, two things happened to me. Let's just briefly go over that so you can hopefully avoid that. First thing that happened is we're gonna talk about the front. Looks fine, other than that it's dirty because it's been raining. I showed you in a previous video how I hate neighbors nowadays. Not here where I'm now, but where I parked the car in my weekday garage. But we talk about this splitter down here. This is a Maxton design splitter, and you probably don't wonder why. You probably wonder where is it. There it is. That used to be a really nice splitter. In the beginning, I was not so sure about it because it is just, show you, just one piece plastic that's been foam pressed. But I actually liked it. I could like it. Not the worst one I've seen. And now it's gonna come off again. This was actually not me, of course not. This was who else but the wifey. I've been sick one day, actually like a week, and she's been taking it to grab some stuff. And a week later, I noticed, hey, there's something looking weird. There's something missing. That's when she confessed, like, yeah, she did a U-turn. That was a loud sound, and that's the end of it. No second thought, no checking if there's anything. It's like, oh yeah, it's broken. So anyway, with this splitter off, I'm not driving out like that, so this will come off, and this will give me some more ground clearance. Because right now, because of the splitter, it's already low. That was the wife, but that was me. You see here, that's decolored. Yeah, that is the driveway to the garage where people gave me this and this. So just getting into that garage, I already scrape with the splitter on there. So as dirty as it is, ignore it. It's a nice camouflage pattern. So yeah, splitter is short, whatever, it will come off. And because now I gained more ground clearance, I can't of course stay this way, because initially I put a splitter on as a compromise because I actually want the wheel gap to go. I actually want it lower, and I want a splitter. That's coming off, but we're gonna lower it. Let me show you. I've been already receiving parts. This is my little hoarder corner right now here, where these are the tension rods. In here are the dampeners for the rear axle, and the ones for the front are missing because they're not available right now. And then here is the fan, because those are the lowering springs. And I actually went with something adjustable, but that will be coming in an upcoming video. It's kind of ridiculous how there are no shocks available for the front axle for the 704 option. So I have to wait. I want to go with original ones, but I explain more of that in a future video. Now we're just going to take the car quickly inside before it starts raining again, and I'm going to show you the second damage that I had to encounter. So this just happened. Not ideal, but apparently the garage door only opened halfway for whatever reason and got stuck right where you couldn't see it. Couldn't see it on the camera, couldn't see it through the window on the mirror, but it was just low enough to hit the car. So it scraped over the windshield a little bit here, onto the roof, and it got stuck on the antenna. And you can see the damage there, a little bit with the reflection, and of course on the roof. There are some nasty scratches in here. Oh, shit. And also a little bit on the other side. You can see there's a chip here that got stuck. The rest seems fine. Luckily the glass is fine, it's not broken. But I have to wash it. Clean it a little bit, see what comes off, but you see there will be some marks left. So I'm not gonna paint the car because of this. Luckily there's no dents or anything. After I clean it up, I see the actual damage. But those will be some scars the car will live with now, unfortunately. Most scratches seem to be able to be buffed out when the camera focuses. There, oh, this is a deep one, this will stay. So on this side they are deeper, but the other side they may come out. I was able to bend the garage door again, so that works. There you see the impact up here. That at least works again, but the scratches remain. So yeah, it is what it is. Maybe I can buff out some of the scratches on the roof, and the splitter, it's gonna go to waste. But in return, the car's gonna come lower then. Things happen sometimes, there's not much you can do. I hope you pay more attention and you can avoid it. And this won't happen to you. Of course, you can try to avoid things, but if others don't care, you still get damage on there, as we've seen. Anyway, it was just a quick update. I don't know, there's nothing to enjoy about it, but anyway, take care guys, see you in the next video.